In today's video, I'm going to review Jeff Brown's latest special report, which is a really big one, the biggest IPO of the decade, how to claim your stake in SpaceX. Now, this report could not be any more timely because it looks like SpaceX is going public in June. So if you're interested in investing in SpaceX, stay and watch this video because I'm going to review this report for you. Now, Jeff has actually rewritten this report. This was released a while ago, but it is being updated because there's some very important updates you need to know about. And also, Jeff has included 5 other companies that you need to watch that could sort of basically profit off SpaceX's IPO and future growth. So with that said, let's get on with the video. So basically, as I said, SpaceX is going public in June. Unless you've been living under a rock, you probably know this. But let's just kind of look at why this is such a big deal and why it's going to be it is going to be the biggest IPO in history, and it could potentially make you life-changing gains if you get in early. But let's sort of look at what sort of SpaceX really is and the strategy behind the IPO. So SpaceX is more than just a rocket company. It also owns Starlink, which is the world's largest global internet service provider. I can't quite remember the numbers, but I think the profit from Starlink is around about $4.5 billion per quarter. And that is basically where all the money is being generated for SpaceX and how it's able to fund its rocket program. But there's more. Not only is Starlink the world's largest internet service provider, but also, before I go on, eventually in the future this will scale and it will become available to anyone on the planet, and basically it's going to generate so much money in the future. But also, above Starlink, SpaceX acquired xAI, which is obviously an AI development company, and you kind of think to yourself, well, why would they do that? And for that, you need to look at the bigger picture. Elon Musk and other AI hyperscalers have got a huge problem, and that is energy. There just isn't enough energy on planet Earth to power these ginormous AI data centers. To give you an idea of how much power large AI data center draws, it's about the same power as a medium to large city as Denver. So trying to find extra electricity from the power grid to power these things, and there's multiple of these things in the hotspot, AI data center hotspots in the US, the power just is not there because the power grid in America isn't designed for that. So as Elon Musk, the frontier man that he is, he's looking into space, and his big grandiose plan is to fire up to 1 million satellites in space. And you're thinking to yourself, well, how's that going to help the AI race? Well, each one of these satellites is going to be very special because it's going to be a mini data center in on itself. These satellites will be filled with specialized GPU and AI software, and all of these satellites will link together to basically form the world's largest AI data center. Wow, it would stretch around the globe. All of these satellites would be from anywhere from 200 to 2,000 kilometers above the Earth. But crucially, they will draw all of their power from the sun and the sun's solar rays. And that is why Elon wants to basically acquire, why he has acquired xAI, because with obviously SpaceX being a rocket company and xAI being the AI company, basically building this interstellar AI data center will now be possible because you've got the AI scope from xAI and you've got the rocket capacity from SpaceX, and then throw Starlink into the mix as well, and you've got a company that's just going to basically dominate AI and basically the global internet infrastructure in the future. And basically this is why investors are getting so excited about SpaceX. SpaceX IPO has now been valued at, I think it's actually gone up from 1.5 trillion to 1.75 trillion dollars. And basically, yeah, it's going to happen. It looks like the IPO is going to happen in June. I think there's a roadshow for SpaceX. And yeah, that is basically when the go day is going to go. But the exciting thing is, for anyone watching this, is that you can invest today in SpaceX for a secret backdoor fund for as little as $500. That will give you direct exposure to SpaceX plus dozens of other high growth specialized tech companies. So you're not going to get exposure to SpaceX, XAI, and X itself, which are all going to explode when the SpaceX IPO happens. You can get access to many other highly specialized private tech companies that are, high growth. So the profit potential with your investment is massive. A lot of people have no idea this is possible, but there's a privately traded venture fund that is open to everyday investors, and you can invest today in SpaceX in a whole portfolio for just $500. Now, I'm not going to give you the name of this fund because this is for members only. But if you want to read this report absolutely free, why not consider joining the Near Future Report risk-free for 30 days. You get all of other Jeff's special reports free as well. And you can try the Near Future Report risk-free for 30 days. There's a link in the comments. There's a link in the comments and description below. We can join for $179. The normal price is $4.99, so you get a massive 64% discount. And you can try it out for 30 days, see if you like it or not. But I'm pretty sure you will once you read these reports and have a look around the members area, which leads me on to just going to show you around the members area very quickly. So basically, there's been video update on the upcoming SpaceX IPO. This is basically where you're going to get all the updates in the monthly Near Future Report, which is basically this, which is anywhere from a 30 to 45 minute read. This one's a little known IPO at the center of the AI boom. Fascinating read. Each one of these reports talks about one company, backs it with research, and gives you the ticker surrounding, obviously, the content that the report's built on. You get all of these as well. I mean, there's loads of them here, but you'll have a field day reading all of these and getting all the picks. You've got trade alerts as well, where you've got any buy or sell alerts from the portfolio. You've got the special reports. Just reviewed this for you. This is another brand new report. It's the one company Elon Musk can't live without, offering you another massive opportunity. These reports are really interesting. It's all about the tokenization of everything and how it's basically going to be the new stock market. Basically, you can invest in high growth private companies just using tokenization. Really interesting. Highly recommend you read it because it's the future and there's a lot of money to be made from that. And then you've got all of these other reports as well, which you can read, and you get all of this lot for free. Then you've got the portfolio, which lists all of Jeff's open positions. I can tell you his AI portfolio is doing really well. It's up over 1,000% since each of his picks were added, so it's performing really well. And with the SpaceX IPO coming up and AI accelerating, that portfolio is only going to get bigger and bigger. And lastly, you got the risk management section, which basically teaches you how to invest like a professional investor. So you can either watch the video or read the text. So that is basically everything about the Near Future Report, and obviously the latest SpaceX IPO updated special report, which you can get for free. I've been a member since early 2022. I love the service, can't rate it enough. Give it 5 out of 5, and I highly recommend you join it, especially with the SpaceX IPO just around the corner. So if you want to join, link in the comment description below. You can join for 64% off at $179. which locks your membership in for a full year. Get all of the special reports absolutely free, and you get a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. Deal of the year, because there's just so much opportunity available at the moment. And this is the best tech AI stock picking research service out there. It is no better service. So if you want to join, link in the comment description below. That's what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful, informative, and I'll